And so, due to my inactivity on YouTube, I decided to make some video cause, you know, there's something to kill your time. Enjoy, leave like.
Production.
Well, it's time to change the computer case. There's our new case beside our old case that I'm using since 2012. So this is original custom for Lenovo M92P. So everything inside is freaking custom, and I hate it as much as I love this computer. But you know, fuck it, we're gonna make a new case for him. As you can see, we have a 3.0 USB port. We have RGB button. I don't know what that does, but yeah, power button and all that you can recognize by yourself. And there's my custom machine, so we have slots for these things. I have slots for these because everything inside is custom and it's half working. Yeah, he's tattooed, his achievements, and yeah, USB. So the airflow comes through these bars, and look at now this. There's a 3 fan, but more likely to the glass. So, will this do its job? I'm gonna miss my old case. Think I'm gonna give it to my friend so he can destroy it more. I didn't know that my camera is off, so yeah. Well, let us take a look on our progress so far. So I dig up everything, and now it's time for a motherboard to come out, and that's it. And there we go. Here we have our motherboard. It's a Asus PMLX something. See, this is custom made, and I did pretty much bend it, so I hope my PC will live at least 5 years. Let us take a look at our parts. So this is all that came out of my PC. The old case, and this is the old case inside. So I pretty much love this case because it is steel and just a bit plastic on the front. So if this case catches fire, it's gonna burn itself in it, and I think fire will be extinguished just because lack of airflow. Weighs like 15 kilos, like empty. Yeah, this is my air conditioner. Let's build our new baby. Look at that graphic card, RX 550, overclocked 4 GB. It is still good as new. Hard to seal. I don't like this guy. And I really do appreciate this thing over here, because there goes supply. Finally. And there's our tempered glass. Yeah, it's tempered glass. So this case cost me like $50, which is awesome, or €5. So ain't bad. I mean, the quality I can appreciate so much, but the front panel, I mean the front fans, I don't like them. Why? Because they don't do shit, and here I'll prove that. I think I can't open the front, but we can open the left side, which goes these cables. Here we go. This is our final product. As you can see, it is like a bit darker glass, so it's not that much transparent. So I like it a lot. As you can see, we have these little details, magnets. So yeah. Let's fire up our machine. Pretty much love it, although I don't feel like it's pulling all the air inside, but I've checked the temperatures and everything's fine.